Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shubham and you're watching Sketch Guru. So in today's video we are going to see how to draw the hairs. This will be our last video of this series and hope you love this series. So for this hair part we are going to need some charcoal pencils, some charcoal powder and also sandpaper. I will tell you how to make a charcoal powder at home. And our ear part is remaining and neck part is remaining. For the neck part, you should see my previous video for shading the skin. If you know how to shade the skin, you will know how to draw the neck also. So it's simple. I will upload the time lapse also in my video of this. And let's start the video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will meet you at the end of the video. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back. So as I told you, I'm not going to teach you again how to shade the skin. It will be same as I taught you in the last lecture of my video how to shade the skin. So sorry about my hairs guys. The camera was not fixed properly, so if you have don't have to watch this, you have to learn how to draw the hairs. You can directly skip through time shown above. So I'll just explain you what I'm doing. Actually, I'm just using a charcoal powder to get the darker shades in my neck. First I have given the base layer of a HB, then a 2B layer, and then I'm just shading with my charcoal powder and just to get that darker values in my skin. In case you made a very dark values and you have to erase it, you can always use an eraser to erase the dark values, and you can again recreate or blend them. Ear part is easy. Same technique I'm using of layering, giving a base layer, then using a 2B to get darker shades. Then I'm again using a 4B pencil to get more darker values, then blending it with paper stumps, making the highlights, then again doing some my highlights work, then darker shades using a pencil eraser. This is how I work. So welcome guys, so it's now time for drawing the hairs. So as I told you, I'm going to tell you how to make a charcoal powder. So what we have to do is you have to rub the charcoal which you get on the market around 50 rupees per kg or kilo, I don't know exact, but you can also buy it from Amazon. I will put the link in the description. You just have to take the charcoal, rub in sandpaper of 100 grade will be fine. Sandpaper you will get from any store like hardware store or something, and it's a very less expensive. It's not costly. It's around 10 or 20 rupees you will get it. Just a piece of paper will do, and just you have to rub the charcoal on that and you will get this smooth charcoal powder. So let's start our tutorial. So first of all, I'm just using a charcoal powder. I'm using a dry brush here to rub the charcoal powder on my shade. You just have to take some charcoal powder with on your brush and just have to darken the layer. This is just like making a base layer, guys. You just have to make a base layer fully covered with the charcoal powder. So what this will do, it will remove all the white highlights which you are getting while making hairs. The hair should be very dark, so you have to use this charcoal powder. I'm just rubbing it slowly, and if there are any edges, smooth edges around your sketches and you don't want to rub there, You can always use a small brush for that. It will be fine. As you see, I'm just making it a smooth and blending it nicely. So now it's time to draw the hairs. So I'm using a charcoal Camplin charcoal pencil here. So this charcoal pencil I bought around 150 rupees. I got 10 charcoal pencils. So this is a box which I use. You get many charcoal pencil. Only soft grade I'm using right now. You can buy it from Amazon. Make sure the point of your charcoal pencil is sharp. So I'm just watching a reference image here and just working according to it. So if I watch the reference image now, the hairs are somewhat curly, means they are not straight enough. So just I'm not going to draw the full hair straight or like a wavy hair. The hairs don't have any wave or any particular angle. They are just straight. So I'm just going to draw the same way. So I'm just looking at the reference image and working according to it. Where you see the dark area, I'm just making the full area dark. I'm not keeping any highlights over there. So after this, I'm using makeup brushes for blending purpose. I'm just blending the whole area. This is the only process which I'm going to use for the whole area first. So I'll just time forward it. So I'm just drawing some small hairs in middle so that it looks somewhat curly. I'm just giving a random direction to them. So after this, I'm just again blending with my brush. It's a hard brush, guys. So it is flat hard brush actually. As you see, it's already giving the realistic look of a hairs after the blending. If you want to make it more darker, you can always use another layer of charcoal on it. For a smaller area, I'm using a makeup brush. Also have one more tutorial how to draw the hairs on my channel. If you see, it's of Money Heist series. In there you will find my tutorial how to draw the male hair also. So you can check it on. You can just check on the I button above. Click on the I button above, and you will find that video. So as you see, it's already giving me a very nice look. My sketch is nearly ready. I'm just going to shade the background right now and make some highlights on this. So main thing highlights is remaining. So for drawing highlights, I'm using a pencil eraser. If you watch the reference image, the highlights are very much in this particular image. So I'm just going to draw according to it. So guys, if you love this series, please suggest me. Should I make this type of videos more or not? You can comment down. If you want to see my latest sketches and my latest updates, you can also follow me on my Instagram channel. So now I'm just making some dark outline or background. Sorry. Same way, you just have to use your charcoal pencil with a higher pressure for that. And now it's time for coating. I'm just using a spray to preserve my artwork. So hey guys, thank you for watching my videos. अगर आपको सीरीज अच्छी लगी हो, if you love the series, please do like and share and please subscribe my channel. And that's all for today. ये सीरीज खत्म होने के बाद अगर आपको कुछ और सीखना है इसके बारे में, स्केचिंग के बारे में, तो जैसे कि शेडिंग, किस किस ट्यूटोरियल आपको चाहिए, तो आप मेरे को बता सकते हैं. आप पर्सनल में मैसेज भी कर सकते हैं मेरे को. इंस्टाग्राम पे DM किया तो मैं आपको रिप्लाई भी करूँगा. अगर आपको कुछ डाउट है तो वो भी क्लियर हो जाएंगे. तो सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. बाय बाय, टेक केयर एंड बी सेफ, स्टे होम.